Guys, I wasn't supposed to grow my channel. This particular channel I'm showing you on the screen now. At least that's what it feels like. Guys, could you imagine that I spent almost 3 months of my time still stocked with under 200 subscribers. And not only that, I was uploading videos after videos, watching the views trickle in. Sometimes 20 views here, maybe 30 there, and all of that. And honestly, it was discouraging because all the gurus online kept saying the same thing. Yes, they will be like, okay, post short every day, share on TikTok, be consistent. And I was doing all of those things, but it wasn't working out. Then, out of frustration, guys, I decided to try something nobody was really talking about. Not the Instagram, not the TikTok, no, not the Twitter as well. It was the usual WhatsApp we all know. Everybody is on WhatsApp. That's right, yeah, you understand. The app we are all using daily to chat our family, gossip with friends, watching status and all of that, and share memes. That app became my secret weapon to reach my 1,000 subscribers faster than I ever imagined. And guys, in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I did it, step by step, the mistakes I made, the strategies that worked, and how you can copy this same approach in order to hit your first 1,000 subscribers, even if you feel invisible right now. So if I had to start from zero today, this WhatsApp method would be the very first thing I would do. That sounds funny, right? So, if you're a small YouTuber still stocked under 1K subscribers, please grab your pen because this is going to be your growth playbook. Yes. And hey, since I'm literally giving you my blueprint, the only thing I ask you is to hit that subscribe button and like this video because I want to build this growth community together. Let's get started, guys. Now, section number one is why WhatsApp is a gold mine. You need to know that WhatsApp that we all know is a gold mine. Why? Let's be real, guys. When most people think about growing a YouTube channel, they think about the big platform like the usual TikTok, Instagram Reels, Reddit, maybe the X, formerly the Twitter, you understand. But here's the thing. Those platforms are noisy. Everyone is shouting, everyone is competing. And unless you already have followers, it has to stand out. So WhatsApp is different. WhatsApp is personal. Think about it. When your phone buzzes and you see a WhatsApp message, you open it right instantly. That's why WhatsApp messages have an open rate of over 90% compared to that to Instagram, where you post your post might not even reach half your followers, or YouTube, where you are at the mercy of the algorithm. Hey, now the magic of WhatsApp is trust. Yes, people in your contacts already know you. So when you invite them into a group or a community, they don't see you as a stranger, they see you as part of their circle. And trust converts into clicks, and clicks also convert into subscribers. So, even better, WhatsApp recently introduced communities. That means you can manage multiple groups under one umbrella. So instead of being stuck with just 255 members per group and all of that, you can create hubs and host thousands of people. Now, imagine sharing your videos to a community where 500 people actually see it instantly and they click within minutes. That's how you hack the YouTube algorithm, by giving your video an immediate push. And here is the key point, guys. YouTube loves velocity. If a video gets engagement fast within the first 24 hours, likes, comments, watch time, it is more likely to be recommended. And WhatsApp gave me that boost consistently. And that's what got me from invisible to my 1,000, in fact, more than 1,000 subscribers, as you can see from my screen. So, the next thing you should also know is that there is what we call laying the foundation. Now, before you go and spam your WhatsApp with links, guys, hold on. This method only works if you set the foundation right. Now, for example, you need to define your niche. Don't just say, I make YouTube videos. That's vouch, because be clear. You can say I make gaming tutorial, I share vlogs for mom, I teach YouTube growth hack. Because when people know what they are signing for, they are more likely to stay. Now, the next thing you should also take into consideration is to create a value hook for your WhatsApp group. People don't just join group just to be sold out. They join because they want something. So frame your group like a gift. For example, this is where I will share behind the scenes, exclusive growth tips, and early access to my videos. Or you can tell them this group is only for small YouTube, yeah, for small YouTubers. You understand, to help each other to grow that their channel and all of that. And trust me, that sounds valuable, right? So that's it. Also, you need to also take notes of branding. Yeah, give your group a brand name that feels legit. Don't call it my YouTube group. No. Rather, you can call it YouTube Hustle Hub or Creators Growth Corner. Make it sound like a place where people would want to belong to. And lastly, set the culture from day one. Pin a welcome message that says, "Hey everyone, welcome to the group. Here is what you can expect. No spam, no random forward, just real support, tips, and video drops that helps us all grow." Now, guys, let's keep this positive and valuable. You can give them messages like this. That tone makes people to respect your group and make them actually pay attention when you post anything. Then number three thing you need to do is to build your first community. You understand? Build your first community. Creating a community, naming it, writing your first pin, welcome, seed members, early rules, and all of that. So that is it. Now, how you invite friends, frame it as exclusive. Promote link in YouTube descriptions, Facebook group, Reddit. Share exact message you use. Emphasize scarcity to only maybe tell them, oh, we have just limited slots and all of that. Then you should also drive traffic. You understand? WhatsApp helps to drive traffic to your videos. How does it help to drive traffic to your video? The moment you post your link and everybody zoom off to, go and visit your channel and all of that. The moment they click your video and they start watching it, the traffic keep coming in because the algorithm will get that signal that, oh, this video is going viral. Let's, push it out and all of that. So that is the thing. You understand? Now, you can also share with them stories like maybe how I hit my 1,000 subscribers, title it story time. You understand? Tell them stories about how you are able to achieve that particular, goal that you've set for yourselves and all of that. Then you also need to avoid mistakes. Avoid mistakes. Mistakes like spamming a group. You understand? Spamming the group, like sending unnecessary messages, links that doesn't, tally to what you're doing there. Don't be selfish with your audience there. Remember that without those people, you might not be really get to where you are in your online platform today. So don't be selfish with them. Sometimes share free tips, give them freebies. If you can do what is it called? What is it like? Maybe give them monthly support by maybe sharing of cards, subscriptions, and all of that. You should also avoid ignoring conversations. If people drop message in your WhatsApp platform or community, if it is something you need to react to, please react to it. You reacting to it gives them that sense of belonging that you are with them, that you're not just there to use them to grow your channel. No. Also, stop posting without value. Everything you should post in that your in that your WhatsApp community must have value. Value that people can get something out of it, not something that is odd and awkward. No. Then also avoid inconsistent upload. Keep them busy. Give them something every day to watch, to talk about. Then share your personal mistakes. You understand? Personal mistakes you've made so far in your online journey and how you are able to fix them. You sharing these things, it helps them to, get more detail on how to run their own. Maybe for some of them might want to go into what you are doing and all of that. So that's it. Then also WhatsApp has this automation and scaling. Yes, it has this automation and scaling. What do I mean? Where you can create, it has this thing where you can, have admins, make other people your admins. Maybe in your absence, they can be able to run your group and all of that. Also, creating of rules. Then use podcast lists, split into subgroups and all of that. Maybe this group is for beginners, the other one is for advanced, and all those things. Then also, WhatsApp is a turning community. Yes, it is a turning community that leads into loyal fans. Guys, if you're able to build a strong WhatsApp community that are always looking out for you, guys, these people are the real loyal subscribers. Beyond clicking your links to watch your video, these same people goes extra miles to share your links to other people that might be even interested in what you're doing. These are the same people that when you host live videos, they are always the first person to come and join you and keep you company there because they value what you're doing. So as you build your WhatsApp community, please turn them into a loyal audience who wait for your videos at all time and all of that. So here is the bottom line, guy. Everyone is chasing TikTok virality, right? But everyone is also begging the algorithm to notice them. But something or sometimes, what is it called? Sometimes the fastest way that you can grow in order to chase these strangers is for you to show them support in everything. Show them that you care for them. Show them that you are always there for them, no matter what. WhatsApp is the tool that gave me that loyal audience. It took me from 200 subs. Imagine talking with 200 subs for almost 3 months to 1,000 and more than subscribers. So, the only thing I have to tell you today is if you apply what I just taught you, it can do the same for you. Don't waste another week, a month, hoping your video might magically blow up. No, you need to do something first, then allow the algorithm and God to do the rest. So you need to build your community today. Share your value, nurture your group, and watch how fast your channel will transform. So if you get value from this video, do me a favor. Hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below with one word, community. That way, I know you are serious about applying this strategy. And hey, if you want to see behind the scenes of how I run my WhatsApp group, the link is going to be dropped right in the description button or in the description below. Until then, guys, don't forget. See you next time. Go and build. Go and grow your channel. And I will see you at the first 1,000 subscribers. And moreover, if you've hit that 1,000 subscribers, please share it. Share your testimony with us. Let others be also motivated. Don't forget, the link to my WhatsApp community is right under the description box. Don't forget to go and hit and join so that you can grow your channel organically. See you next time.